What's up, guys? This is a new unboxing of the iPad 3. Here we go. White 16GB iPad 3. Apple iPad iCloud. There we go. So open that up. Just flip that over. Take off this plastic. Put that aside. Here we go. Just jiggle that off. A little help for my kitty. It's Jessie. Okay, here it is. Doesn't look that much different from the iPad 2. Actually, you can't really notice anything except for the camera. The camera's a bit bigger. Let's put this side. Alright, got the manuals, the quick start, iPad, and 2 Apple stickers. USB and the wall adapter. So let's do a boot up of this. Here we go. Take the plastic off. Put that aside. Can't really tell anything's different with the screen yet, but a lot of reviews say that it's an amazing screen. A big difference from the iPad 2 and 1, because they both have the same screen. Here we go. I don't know why it's coming out backwards, but let's get this all started. English, United States. I'm going to enable, and let's set up this new iPad. Skip this. Skip. Accept. My gosh, there's so many things to click around here. Let's use dictation. Now this iPad, the iPad 3 does not come with Siri, which really sucks, but it does have dictation. Don't send, and let's start using it. This screen is amazing. It's beautiful. Okay, let's see. Let's bring that in here. Here's the iPad 2. Pretty sure you guys aren't going to tell the difference, but alright.